Have you ever wanted to redesign your room or your entire apartment without spending thousands on interior designers? Today, AI is making it insanely easy for anyone to design beautiful, functional spaces using just your phone or laptop, and for free. Today, I'll show you the top 5 free AI interior design tools you can use right now, how they work, and how you can transform your living space, bedroom, office, or even your content studio with just a few clicks. So first, let's talk about why use AI interior design tools. First, they help you visualize your room before you buy furniture. Second, they save you money by avoiding design mistakes. Third, they can match your style, whether it's minimal, modern, boho, or industrial. Fourth, it's perfect for your moving, renovating, or content planning to your setup. Whether you're designing your YouTube filming space, a cozy bedroom, or your entire home office, these AI tools give you realistic renderings, layout suggestions, and color palettes instantly. So now that we have talked about the benefits of AI designing tools, let's get to the first one of them. First up is Room GPT. How it works is by taking a photo of your room, upload it to Room GPT, select your preferred style, example modern or Japanese, or any other style you like, and finally, Room GPT generates new design options for the furniture, colors, and layout. You get a side-by-side before and after, helping you visualize what your space could look like without moving a single piece of furniture. Room GPT offers a premium and a free plan. The free plan has limited generations per day, but enough for casual room designs. Now that we're done with the first one, let's get to the second. Second on the list is Home Styler AI. How it works is by uploading your room photo or create a floor plan. Then use the AI to generate design ideas or manually drag and drop furniture from their catalog. You can switch between 2D and 3D view, and even do a virtual walkthrough of your new room. Home Styler is especially useful if you want to measure spaces accurately for your new furniture or if you're planning a full renovation. And just like Room GPT, it also works on a freemium plan. It lets you create several designs with watermark, with options for high quality experts if you decide to upgrade later. Now on third, we have Decor AI. It works by uploading your photo and selecting your design style. Then, the AI will redesign your room's color palette, furniture placement, and lighting instantly. You can generate multiple variations for the same room to compare vibes. Decor AI is great for Instagram-worthy designs, content creators, or Airbnb owners waiting to optimize their space aesthetic. The free plan of Decor AI usually offers 3 to 5 free redesigns with some style limitations. Now fourth on the list is Photor's AI interior design tool. Why it's unique? Photor, known for its photo editing, now lets you redesign your room using AI, adjusting wall colors, flooring, furniture style, and decor accents. It's simple. You just upload a photo, select the theme, and Photor will apply a transformation filter that shows you your room in a new style instantly. The use cases for this tool is quick color palette testing, or finding matching furniture colors, or Instagram before and after content ideas. Their free plan has basic designs with photo or branding, but enough to test layouts and styles quickly. Now at last but not least, we have in the 5th place Planner 5D AI. What it does is create a 2D or 3D floor plan, then uses AI to auto-furnish and decorate your room based on your inputs. After that, it adjusts furniture, colors, and materials manually after the AI generates the first draft. Planner 5D is useful if you want a semi-automated yet customizable interior design approach for your entire home. Their free plan lets you build and design with limited catalog items, but it's 100% usable for planning your setup. When using AI interior designs tool, take multiple photos from different angles and test different styles. This helps you see what style truly fits your space before spending money on furniture or paint. Also, don't be afraid to use these AI designs as your vision board on Pinterest or with your contractor if you're renovating. If you want, I can create a full video on the best AI tools to generate color palettes and match furniture items to your AI designs room. Let me know in the comments if you want that. Before we wrap up, here's one more important thing to remember when using AI design to your dream room. Don't just trust the AI to make its starting point. AI tools can generate stunning ideas, but always check. First, the measurements. Make sure the furniture sizes match your real room dimensions. Second, availability. Sometimes the AI shows furniture that's just a design concept. So use the image as an inspiration, then find real pieces online or in local stores. Third, your budget. Use your AI design to create a shopping list that actually fits what you're willing to spend. One great bonus tip is to take your AI render and upload it to Pinterest. Pinterest will help you find lookalike furniture, wall colors, or decor pieces that match your AI generated style, saving you hours of guesswork. So see AI as your free interior designer and mood board generator, but always double check before you buy anything. It's your home. The AI just gives you a head start. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more practical AI tools and productivity tutorials, and let me know which tools you're going to try first. Check the description for all the links of these free AI interior designs tools. And if you designed your room using any of them, tag me on Instagram or Twitter so I can see your transformation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.